With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in the question there is a considerable reaction is given which is CO in gaseous state plus 2H2O. It gives CH3OH, right? So we have given the value of H0 for these and we have given few enthalpy and entropy for our reaction, and we have value of ln 320 upon 300, right? And all the data are given is only for 300K. It is question is asking about the value of delta G naught at 320K. Okay, so let us start with our question. So for that, first we need to find is value of delta S naught. We know that value of delta S naught is S naught of product minus of S naught of reactant, right? And for similarly for delta H naught, this is also equal to H naught of product minus of H naught of reactant, right? So if we do this, in this case, we will get the value of H naught. We will get the value of H naught is minus of 87 kilojoule per mole. Why? Because the value of H naught is given for like for this minus we are subtracting with this one, so it is actually minus of 201 and we are subtracting the value for this, so actually we end up with minus of 18, because if we subtract this from this we will get minus of 87 kilojoule per mole, right? So for delta S naught at 320, which is our temperature, we can write it as delta R Cp T2 minus T1, right? Temperature difference plus of delta R S naught 300 at 300, right? So if we calculate the value of delta R Cp naught, this will become at 44 minus of 29.7 minus 2 into 28.8. Again, there's a mole, right? So we are writing this reaction as we are writing for delta S naught. Again, this will be Cp minus for product and Cp for reactant, and we are subtracting this. So this will comes at minus 43 joule per kilo mole, right? So we have all the three uh, values right here, and if we look at this, so if we put this value in the equation, in this equation, so finally from here we have the value of delta R S naught at 320, which is equals to minus of 18.58, right? So moving further, we are gonna calculate the value of delta R H naught at 320, which is equals to minus of 87, okay, plus the value of delta R Cp naught, which is minus 43, into change in temperature, which is 20, because we are putting the value of this in the equation, right? So and we are finally gonna divide this by 1000 because it is in joule and we are finding the value in kilojoule. So this comes as minus of 87.86 kilojoule per mole, right? So what we know that in Gibbs free equation we have the value of delta G is equals to delta H minus of T delta S, right? So from here, if we calculate the value of delta G, we have minus of 87.86 minus of value of T, that is 320, and the value of delta S, which is minus of 18.58, right? And again we will divide this by 1000. So this will be equals to minus of 81.91 kilojoule, which is our answer. So this matches with option D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.